Alright, so it's Honda Generator Part 2 coming up right here. This time it's 125. Supposed to be picking up, I think it's the Ex800, something like that. I didn't really look at it, but I said 125 bucks, that sounds good. It's one of the little gray ones with a handle on top, so lady said it needs carburetor clean, which is story of my life, so I don't think it's going to need a carburetor clean, but we'll see if it will be a carb clean and go. Thanks, Caber. But yeah, I guess we'll see when we get there. Alright, so I just picked it up. It was really nice condition. It was sitting in their garage, and they just said, I don't have the thing to suck the gas out of it, so yeah, I did pay up for it though, $125. And she actually said, oh, I just saw one on eBay for $800. So I am wondering if that's a cap now, or if that's the truth. I kind of want to look it up, but yeah, I'm gonna go head back home and then see what we do with it. Alright, so I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the same video or not, but I actually took a left turn and then went the wrong way and then found a yard sale. So they had this McCullough, whatever it is, the MC whatever thing, chainsaw there. Guy wanted 10 bucks, I said 5, he said no. So I just said, screw, what the heck. He said it's been sitting for a while, so I don't know, is that a good deal, bad deal? I don't usually mess with chainsaws because 2-stroke, but I don't know, maybe that'll be something fun to work on. But yeah, somehow found a yard sale and bought a chainsaw, so yeah. Alright, so here's the generator back at home, and for those of you wondering, here's the chainsaw too. It's I don't know nothing about chainsaws, so yeah, there you go. It's that guy wanted 10 bucks, and he got 10 bucks because he wouldn't take 5. So yeah, here it is. Pretty good shape. Get a good look around here. Not all banged up. And shoot, just threw myself over here. Cord still pulls fine. So I think what I'm gonna do is drain the gas out, and then blow some starting fluid in, and then see what that gives us. So yeah, let me go get the pump thing. Alright, this pump thing isn't working too well, so what I think I'm going to do is take the carburetor off, and then there's a fuel line down here or something. Just let the fuel come out of the line, and hopefully that'll work. Alright, so I got most of the old gas out, I think. So, you know what? I think we're just gonna spray some starting fluid and see what happens. Let me get it. Let's tighten this out a little bit. See what happens. Not over here. All right. So let's see here. All right. A little kill switch. Huh? Oh god, that's a lot. I guess I didn't get all the fuel out. It's a nice PP yellow color, but to give a starting fluid cough, so I think I'm gonna rip the carburetor off, bust it open, and see how it looks inside. Alright, got the carburetor right here. Let's see what it is. 10, 12? 12 it is. Alright. Crack it open. Too far. There we go. Doesn't look horrible. Needs to clean, but got tools. Come over this way. There we go. Float's fine. Probably have to get the red screwdriver for that. Then yeah. Cool. Yeah. I'm gonna get the right flathead and then take the jet out. Alright, so I got the main jet out here, and nothing looks too bad in here really. I think the bowl is a little beat up, a little crusty on the bottom, and then it's probably just blast with the air gun, and then yeah, hit it with some carb cleaner, and then we'll see how it looks after that. Alright, well I think that's pretty clean for me. So the rest of the car was pretty... Alright, actually, I missed a little bit right here. Let me clean that up real quick. Alright, so yeah, as I was saying, I mean, this car's pretty good, it's not too bad, just had a little bit of dried up gas at the bottom, and then the main jet had a little bit of stuff in it, so yeah, just throw that back together and then put it back on. Alright, carburetor's back on, and just gonna pour a little gas in the tank, and then it comes out nice and clear. Okay, that's a lot of gas. Alright, it's coming out clear. Jam this line back on. Alright. Let's see. Will it start? Move all some of this stuff out of the way. Alright, will it start? I don't even think there's enough gas for it to start. So let's see. Let me put some more gas in the tank. Alright, let's see if it'll start now. Kill switch is off. Alright, well that was pretty simple. I'll throw the rest of the air filter back on, and then we'll see if it has electricity. Ooh. Before I put it back together, man, look at this air filter, man. It's just like, it's like cake. Just press it in and it gets indented. So probably gonna buy a new one of those. But yeah. Alright, we got it all back together. See how it runs. We'll put the choke on. Alright, so I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Runs good. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this one. Runs good. I'm probably gonna keep it, even though I would guess it's probably worth you know, 300 or so. I got it for $1.25, so that's a reasonable deal. You know, it wasn't 50 bucks, but you know, it wasn't 200 bucks either. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It's what I've been looking for a while. You know, something I can just, you know, throw a drill in, or you know, sawzall in, and then I'll be on my way. So yeah, what do you think? Pay too much? Pay too little? Yeah, that's gonna be it for this one then.